When designing electrical receptacles and switches, several codes and standards govern the manufacturing of these components. Key among these is Underwriters Laboratories Standard UL 498, titled Standard for Attachment Plugs and Receptacles. Another relevant standard is UL 1453, Standard for Dead Front Switchboards. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, also provides crucial guidelines. Specifically, Article 380 addresses switches, while Article 406 covers receptacles. Beyond UL and the NEC, other standards also apply. ANSYS 84.1 outlines dimensional specifications for faceplates used with electrical receptacles. NFPA 70E, Standard for Electrical Safety in the Workplace, is essential for ensuring safety during installation and maintenance. IE 1180, Guide for Safety in AC Substation Grounding, provides guidance on grounding practices. For international applications, IEC 60906-1 addresses plugs and socket outlets for household and similar purposes, outlining general requirements. IEC 60906-2 further specifies dimensional interchangeability requirements for wiring devices. Several additional considerations are important in receptacle and switch design. 1. Materials must meet standards for UL 94 flammability rating, impact resistance, and overall durability. 2. Mechanical strength, including resistance to pull-out forces and impact, is essential for product reliability. 3. Electrical performance considerations include current carrying capacity, voltage rating, and contact resistance. 4. Safety features are paramount, including ground fault protection, temper resistance, and arc fault protection. 5. Energy efficiency is increasingly important, and consider UL Green God certification for reduced environmental impact. 6. Ergonomics, encompassing ease of use and installation, should be factored into the design. 7. Aesthetic considerations, such as design and finish that complements home decor, can be a factor for consumer products. 8. Compatibility with existing electrical systems and faceplates is crucial for seamless integration. Finally, testing and certification is vital. All products must undergo testing and certification by a nationally recognized testing laboratory, or NRTL, such as UL, to verify compliance with all applicable standards. This ensures that the receptacle meets safety and performance requirements for its intended use.